Welcome to NobelBiz webinars.
When we're talking about the supervisor, right? What is that role? What is it that they're doing in that environment? And what are some key things that we see that maybe, challenging for them or even easy for them to be able to manage?
I was always taught and mentored to be told that the supervisor or their primary job is a coach. So that was ingrained into me from the very first days I started supervising. Supervising was not standing there watching everyone. Supervising was listening to calls. We had requirements on how many evaluations and coaching sessions needed to be done with the agent. So supervising isn't just making sure people are doing their job. A good supervisor does that, but he also listens closely to the agents, finds ways to coach them, ways to help them to get better. And I can always say a good supervisor, you can tell the difference if they're willing to put on a headset or not. If they're willing to get on the phones and then demonstrate that topic that they just taught that agent, and they're willing to put themselves out there and show how what they just coached will work, that's always an excellent thing when a supervisor is willing to do that. So it's not just a role of managing and making sure people are doing their job. It's also a role of encouraging, motivating, coaching, and developing.